it's not a clear separation, but floor glute bridge is a pretty standard exercise just for the core of our posterior or the back side. Floor glute bridge is simply we're laying down and our head is on the floor, butts on the ground, our feet is flat on the ground with the knees bent, and we could have our hands out to the side. And while keeping our abs and lower back straight, we are pressing through our feet and lifting up our glutes and butt off the ground until we get a good activation in our butt. So we go up until our body is nice and straight. And if your back and abs are not engaged, you might feel some pain if you go too high. That means you're overreaching or hyperextending our lower back. So that's where keeping the abs and the back engaged is important. So that is a floor glute bridge.